this channel.
No!
Alright, so today's my mom's birthday, and I'm vlogging on my camera right now, so if the quality looks weird, that's why. But yeah, it's my mom's birthday. It's super sunny out today. Figures, because it's my mom's birthday, if I didn't make that clear in the beginning. But I'm at Joann's Fabric first, but I have a lot of deals to work on, and I needed some new backdrops for these deals, especially holiday stuff and just colors I don't have. So I'm about to go in Joann's, get some fabric. I have to go to Ulta and get the last part of my mom's gift, and I have to go to, oh yeah, Whole Foods, because I'm making her some sangria. So yeah, stay tuned for that, y'all. All right, y'all, so we're in the fabric store. I'm looking for a red fabric, to be honest. Like, just something real holiday-esque, because you're gonna see it on my Instagram. This looks pretty. Okay, fun fact, it's where I get all my backdrops. Okay, I have paper too, but paper is really, really expensive, so this is always a good option. Plus, the fabric store always has sales, so there's that. All right, y'all, so drop mom off at her massage appointment. Now we're in Whole Foods. We're getting water, and then we're getting ingredients for sangria. We should have got a cart. Hectic day, y'all. I got all my Joann's fabrics, and then I got, take a breath. But yeah, so yeah, mom's getting massage, but while she's in there for the hour, we're just getting stuff to prep so we can cook her dinner. Excuse me, sorry. Let's see. Getting the carts. Oh no. Okay, so I grabbed all the stuff for mom, and now I'm about to run back and go grab her. Then I have a video. No, I have 2 videos to film. Today's a very busy vlog, so you'll see that in here. But yeah, we gonna get through it.
I'm trying to strap the water in.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got a really big water jug. All right, so yeah, we're about to go pick her up. Hopefully she's very zen, very relaxed. And then yeah, gonna get some work done and then cook her some dinner. So hopefully I get to show all that for you guys. Love you. Okay, so we picked mom up. I'm gonna see if I can get her on camera because my mom is a little bit camera shy, but she's been working on it. So yeah, so I'm about to start the sangria, and then I'm gonna start the sangria and prep that so the fruits can marinate and all that before dinner. But it's good because we all have a lot of work to do. She's got a conference call, and I'm about to go film a video for you guys for a later date. It's gonna be a makeup tutorial, so we trying to shake and move, y'all. We trying to shake and move, okay? I'm gonna do that now, and I might set up my camera on a tripod so you guys can see the sangria process, although it is a secret recipe. It's a bit secret, but I'm gonna let y'all in on some of it. All right, y'all, so I got some PR in the mail. Yeah, I think it's out of focus, but I got some PR. We just picked up stuff, and I got some stuff for that brand deal I told y'all I'm really excited about. Feeling very, very blessed. Less than stressed, you feel me? Because I could be stressed today. I'm just a little like, get it done, like kind of wound up more than anything. But I'm taking these moments just to vlog, and it's very relaxing, actually. Kind of therapeutic to let y'all know how my day is going. So yeah, we're gonna make this sangria now. All right, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I literally have recommended this wine. Specifically, it's a holiday treat for a lot of people. Not all of these are for the sangria. Fresh berries, very major key. Wash my hands, of course. So we're gonna do that first. All right, once the hands are washed, everything's all good. We are going to wash and prep and throw some berries in the blender. Now, I don't blend up all the berries. I only do it for a few because if you're not gonna be letting your sangria soak for like at least a day, like me, I'm just doing it for an hour or 2, then you want to like extract some of those juices from the fruits prematurely. Set the strawberries to the side that I want to use. I'm gonna do like 4 strawberries and then a handful of blueberries. Also, if you have some strawberries that are getting like mushy or starting to get really ripe, this would be a good time to use those. I'm gonna put just a little bit of frozen fruit in here now. We're gonna use these again later. So that's about what it looks like. And then we're gonna take just a splash of some orange juice. Gotta mix it up. And this is fresh squeezed orange juice from Whole Foods. Okay. I might throw just a little pinch of grapefruit juice in there, see how it's rocking. Yep, there we go. Alright, now I'm gonna blend up this fruit mixture that we've made. These are gonna soak in your wine. Blender is ready. Oh wait, I didn't plug it in. That might be important. That might be important. Okay, and then we're gonna set it to first puree. Look at that already. Boom. Okay, so that's like the fruit juices we're gonna add to the mixture. I'm showing the people the sangria, some of the sangria tricks, but not all of them. You're putting on a hat for the video? Come on now. My mom is going to say hi. She's gonna make an appearance. This never happens, okay? This never happens. Make sure you wish her happy birthday in the comments.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, this is my mom. She put a hat on for the video.
Yes, I did.
Oh my gosh, even though her hair looks completely fine and it's curled to perfection. Y'all see what I do with?
You don't have to tell my secrets.
No, I'm serious. Put our mixture in the jug. We're gonna add one of these lemon lime sodas, but just a small amount. So you're gonna open this. It looks like a cork bottle, but it's really not. It is. Oh wait, hold on, I need a knife. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Dude, why is mom laughing? Alright, let's see. There we go. All my foreign peeps already knew what kind of wine this was, but it's really good when you serve it warm too. But for today, just a shot. No, I'm just kidding, if y'all have seen that video. These jugs don't look like they hold a lot, y'all, but that was the entire bottle right there. We're gonna put in some more of our frozen and fresh fruits right on top as slices to just soak and marinate all the goodness in. Cut up a few of these and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what the finished mixture looks like. So this is what the finished mixture is looking like. We're gonna let this baby soak in the fridge for like an hour or two so that all these fruits in here can get some love and attention and trust and respect for our dinner. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this secret entrance into my secret sangria laboratory. Okay, this is classified footage that you're seeing here today, and it is okay because I trust y'all. But yeah, that's all I got. You're getting situated for dinner, but the sangria has been chilling for a couple hours now, and my mom was just like watching me film and stuff. So we're about to watch some TV really quick and eat, and I gotta get back to work. We all do, but not with a couple party libations. Alright, hey y'all, so everything is great. My mom's birthday went great, and this video should be coming out like on what's it called, Wednesday. But yeah, oh, I just scratched myself. I'm about to get red. But basically right now I'm preparing for yoga because I have that coming up. I need to wash my hair tonight, so I have an updated hair routine finally coming for you, and I also have like lots of business stuff coming up. So plus, if you've ever done mini twists and have to keep like retwisting and all that stuff, I got like product buildup, of course, in my hair, and my hair just feels gross. So even though the definition looks really good, I have not, you know, cleansed in like, well, cleansed my curls in almost 3 weeks. So about to go get some, and I gotta run downstairs and grab these packages that just came in for me. And I ordered all this yoga stuff and it did not come in, so I gotta go check that out and see. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and talk to you guys about, you know, how the day went and everything, and just close out the vlog this way. But yeah, and I'm just using Wetline Extreme Gel again. Told y'all I'm kind of addicted. Oh, that's kind of cute. That's kind of cute, y'all. But yeah, the type of yoga I'm going to, I definitely can't do that because we be in there sweating. All right, let's see. I want to do the hot yoga one of these days, or just try it. Hope I don't pass out during it, but I've been wanting to try it for a while. And if you watch my How Not to Suck at Achieving Your Dreams or Your Goals, whatever video, y'all know that I signed up for like 10 classes or whatever, so I have a lot left. I know I'm probably gonna run through them, but it's still just nice to have that, because then I can just try out different, you know what I mean? Different classes and all that. The one good thing about product buildup is my hair is laying down because it is stopping with creams and oils and all sorts of stuff. And if you're new to my channel, the yoga I'm going to is booty yoga. And it's got African and Caribbean inspired dance. Okay, let's see. Let's dish-lick this. My hair is so thick, y'all. My arm already going through a workout. Like, do I even need to go? You hear me out of breath? Do I even need to go to yoga? That's why, I know this probably sounds bad, but the hair ties I have off Amazon right now are like cotton, because the other ones pull my hair so much, even the ones that are like ouchless and all that. But these cotton ones are so good. The only thing I'm nervous about is I feel like they might be causing like a lot of friction. Oh, downward. Okay, I pulled it down a little bit. And we just need to smooth this top a little bit more. Any bumps in the top, I'm just trying to get rid of, because that's because of the twist that I had in. There's a lot of texture kind of going throughout my hair. All right, this is my boyfriend's brush, but he does not use it because he's growing his hair out. So, you know, y'all ever have that stuff that like is somebody else's, but they don't use it, and y'all around each other 24/7, and they say you can use it whenever, so it kind of just becomes yours over time because they don't use it. And then there's that one day that they be looking for it and you're like, dang, gotta give it back. So this is the look. I'm about to go change into my sports bra and all that good stuff, but thank you guys so much for watching. I must bid you adieu now because class starts. I mean, not class starts. I have to leave in like 8 minutes to get to class early. So I'm trying this early thing out, but I'm doing my best. Okay, all right everybody, again, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. It was just a busy day, so I'll get back to doing some requested videos y'all have and all that stuff. But if you like seeing life stuff too, then just give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. And I have to make up for Vlogmas that I missed because it was my mom's birthday. So definitely keep checking back in at my channel and don't forget to subscribe. We're getting like 1,000 a day, y'all. So like, keep them rolling. Let's get to 700K before the year is out. Love you. Peace out. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Gang, gang.